Alright guys, so customer give us a go signal. We're gonna do the front brake pad replacement for this car. 2011 Honda Civic. Alright, let's remove the tire. Using, what's this, number 19. Alright, let's loosen this caliper bolt in here. So we're using number 12. There we go. Just one bolt. Now let's flip this caliper like that, and you can actually slide it out. So, now let's remove brake pad. Go, steady. Pick it up. Rotor is rusted. We're using Rebastus. First, let's get the hardware. Now let's just check them all if they're all the same. Oh no, some are small, some are big, I think. What's this? So the old one is similar, the same hardware. So I think we're using the big one, the bigger one. Yeah. Go. See the bigger one. Perfect. Now for the pad, looks the same. Alright. So I have no problem with the pad. Let's put it on. Put some silicone paste. Perfect. There you go. Nice. And the one at the back. So when you're doing this, be very careful. Sometimes not because somebody put on that's the correct, correct one or correct part. This is the correct part. Look at. Nice. Then still look fresh. I'm just gonna add some. There you go. Now let's put it on. Perfect. And brake caliper. Let's push it in. Okay. Perfect. Nice. Sorry for the glare, it's super sunny in here. Let's just nice. Now let's put some silicone paste. It's in here. There you go. That's it. Let's put it on. Perfect. Nice. Then bolt. Put some thread locker. There you go. And just tight it snug. It keeps on rotating, so I'm using this vice grip. Just snug. There you go. That's it. Alright. So that's it. This is just a quick brake pad replacement for 2011 Honda Civic. So if you had any question in this video, please comment down below and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.